Happy Tuesday. I hope you guys are doing well on this rainy day in Georgia. Just wanted to eat some frost tonight, and that's it. Yeah, have a great night. All right. Sorry about the background noise. So I'm a little slow today because I just got my braces tightened yesterday and I got my wires changed out, right? So on this side, some people may say, oh, you're eating too slow or you whatever. I like to remind people, leave us alone. Let me eat my ice how I want to. This is what I like to do. I appreciate all my subbies, my loyal ones. They know. Also, what you don't know is I have a piece of wire that they didn't cut right. Even as I'm speaking now, I'm in pain because every time I chew, every time I talk, it sticks me inside here. So I can't bite and chew big pieces of ice because, again, this is my investment that I, of course, chose to make into my teeth and myself. But, a lot of times I just felt the need to stop here and just speak on some things because I don't think people really get it. I always say, I want to see you do what you're criticizing me for not doing. I want to see you take those big bites. For one, if you look at my mouth, it's small. Like, I literally cut the size of my mouth trying to eat big bites and take big bites. Anyone that knows that wears braces, technically you're not supposed to bite down on anything hard because you could break these wires. And I'm just not going to do that. I'm going to take my time. And I'm just going to do what's best for me. I appreciate those of you that rock with me all the time. I appreciate it. But I'm just going to do what's best for me. As other people have stated, there are other people on here that take whatever bites you like, however big you want, however much they can stuff their mouths. But me, I'm not doing that. I have anxiety when it comes to that because, I've gotten choked before trying to do that, and I'm just not going to do that. I have to do what's comfortable for me. I feel like sometimes people are so critical of you when we're eating ice, and some people say, oh, well, that's just what, your followers or whoever do. But if you're a true follower and a true supporter, give people some grace sometimes. You don't know. I've worked all day, driven an hour home from work, driven an hour to work. There's a thunderstorm going on here in Georgia right now. It's raining hard, and I'm standing here tired to do a video. So again, extend that same grace that you would want someone to give you. I come on here and I share my videos because it's what I like to do. And I've had other people say how my videos have helped them, and they were going through a tough time. So I do it for them. I do it for the people that really appreciate what I'm doing. So again, just extend grace. I think I've said this so many times that I don't think a lot of people either listen or they don't care, or they just, again, don't care. But extend people grace. Don't tell people to do something that you're not doing or willing to do yourself. Again, like I said before in several other videos, people are just going through things that they choose not to talk about that I really don't think is anybody's business to even know about. So please stop with the bullying and the crazy comments and all of that stuff, because if you notice, I don't really come back and say something like I used to. It's not that I'm afraid, because trust me, I don't have a problem getting anybody together. I just choose to not live and reside in that crazy space because I don't want to be around or have anything to do with people who continue to be negative and say really bad, ugly things. I know this time that me talking is taken away from my video, but I feel like sometimes we have to come away from this to have a conversation with our subbies or our followers or whatever you call it. But I think that's necessary. So stop it. Stop it with the foolery. Stop it with the comparison. We're all different. We're all doing what we do because for whatever reason. I'm not trying to be like anyone else on this platform that's eating ice. I'm not trying to do that. I'm going to do always what's best for me. Again, I appreciate my true ones, my day ones, even my new followers. That's something that I want you guys to know. I appreciate each person, whether you like it or don't like my channel or for what I choose to do. I thank you for even coming here to visit. I thank you for coming and seeing me eat this ice. And I just appreciate it. But please stop it with the crazy comments. Like even the ones that eat ice, big bites, and the professional type videos, you guys harass and bully them too. Please just stop. Please stop. Again, because you just don't know what people are facing, and I don't really know how many other times and other ways to say it except for stop. We're all adults on here. We're all gonna do what's best for us. So just stop it. And if you don't like it, I'll say it. Go somewhere else where they do what you want them to do. But over here, I'm at peace. And I want somebody else to follow me to be at peace. Because again, people have shared stories with me of what they're facing, and we don't want to continue to scar and hurt people. Again, I'm going to continue to use my platform for positivity. If you're expecting a negative response from me, you're not going to get it. If you keep coming with the negativity, some people say, well, it's just constructive criticism. I didn't ask you for your opinion. I didn't ask you for your advice. So if it continues, I have no problem hitting the block button on anybody. That's one thing I don't have a problem doing. I do hope you guys enjoy the rest of your night. I hope you all had a great day today. And I just want to encourage all of you, keep going. Don't stop. Do what's best for you and have a great rest of your night. I'm going to chomp and eat a little bit more ice, but my mouth is really sore. And I'm just getting a coldness to soothe this side. So bear with me as I go through this. Thank you all. Have a great rest of your night, guys.